Government is not much different than commercial. This was an IDC study done about a year ago. And these were the primary concerns of the responders who ranked these issues as important or very important to their adoption of cloud computing. As you can see, security was number one, even among commercial users. Performance is another, okay? If I've got this highly virtualized, automated environment, how do I get performance guarantees? How do I make sure that I have adequate performance? Availability, and this has been exacerbated by the highly publicized Google outages and whatnot, okay? And then how do I integrate it with my in-house IT? If I'm outsourcing some of this stuff into the cloud and I've got to provide other services in-house, how do I reconcile providing services across that combination of things? And do I have enough ability to customize it? If I'm going into a ruthlessly standardized platform, do I have the ability to customize my applications to the level that are required? And they're worried about the fact that it will eventually cost more, okay? There are a couple more middlemen in between the application and the hardware, so I got to pay that overhead. Does it actually save money? Well, it changes the color of it, may not save it, okay? I've moved it into the operations and maintenance category from the capital category, so I don't have to worry about buying equipment, but I may actually spend more in the end for acquiring the capacity. So they're worried about that. And then once I've done this transition, what happens if I have to bring it back in-house? Okay, how do I do that? How do I plan for it? And then in many cases, they feel that regulatory requirements prohibit cloud. Can I do HIPAA data in a cloud today? What kind of data privacy assurances do I have for medical information if I decided to move that to a cloud? The answer is right now there are no standards in that area. They're working towards them, and there's a lot of moving parts that are all being done together.